For tonight, to get our Cipher 1 million code is proof. So I'm going to click on Cipher right here. Once I click on it, then I want to put in the word, which is number 1 P. So P is dot minus minus dot minus, okay, dot minus minus, dot minus minus dot. All right, that is P. Then R, which is dot minus dot minus dot, that is R. Then O dash dash, 3 dashes, dash dash dash. Then the second O dash dash dash. The last one is F dot dot minus dot. All right, dot dot minus dot minus dot. All right, that's the word for tonight. Please, if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you like this video if you get value from it. You can also join us in the Telegram group. I will drop the link in the description box of this video. See you again. Bye for now.